Just here in Vietnam. Hello. Pulled over. I'm in a rice paddy field. Or rice field? I don't know. I'm just a dumb foreigner. It's so beautiful and peaceful here. I feel like so grateful to actually be here, not just see something on TV, but be around these people that are really enjoying life. You have these rice paddies here and just showing up on their bicycles and working in the fields. It's pretty amazing. A lot of people have passed me, and no one says, what are you doing here or anything like that. It's just hello, hi, and just these big smiles. So the city of Hoi An is over there. Made my way down from Da Nang to the city, and some mountains over there, and saw a waterfall. So I'm gonna go there and try to go swimming in the waterfall, but just kind of have to stop here in the middle of nowhere, or the middle of everything. In the city, going down the wrong way. This is the big city here in Vietnam. I know I'm in a good area because there's no signs in English here. Oh boy, we're getting close to the mountains. All right. Google Maps is calling this a road. We're getting close to the mountain though. Whoa, how much water is here. So I am definitely in a village here. Whoa. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Well, I think I found the place, but I don't know, this guy just rolled up on me and he's saying I can't go there. Yeah, there's a store over there and then a waterfall, right?
People follow you.
Okay, I'm here in the jungle. So that guy was a friggin' sweetheart. I thought he was saying you can't go there, this and that. He was just telling me that many people die here. He's worried about me. There's tons of scorpions and snakes and all kinds of stuff here to not go up there. Okay, there's a house here, and I asked the lady if I can go this way, and she's like, well, you got to pay the fare. And they only asked for 20,000, which is less than $1, so I think that's fair. So we'll go see this waterfall up here. All right, so we're on to the trail. Gonna hike up a little bit. I don't think it's too far up, but we'll definitely be looking for cobras and scorpions and whatnot, because I'm dumb and I'm wearing shorts. So the tough thing here is there's no official trail or anything, so it seems like it stops here, and I think I have to go across there. Oh, just keep going and find out. Okay, I made it. Nice views all the way around. There's actually 3 people here. But man, Yeah, damn it. I fell. Life is crazy when you take chances. As I was leaving, I needed to get gas in the village. Ran into some guy who was an American and said, wow, I've never seen an American. I've lived here for 3 years in this little village. Invited me back. Went back with him and his wife. Ended up having drinks until midnight. They said, you can stay here. We live on this beautiful farm. This is their backyard. You see there's rice paddies and mountains and just incredible people to just randomly meet you, invite you over for drinks, let you stay there. Met the whole family in the morning. We had this like incredible meal with all these local foods and just the hospitality, the family, everyone. Just awesome experience. And these are the type of people you meet in Vietnam. This is the real Vietnam. A lot of the cities, into the mountains, rice paddies. So I've been riding for about an hour, and this is a lot of the mountainside in Vietnam. This is basically a cemetery, and this has been going on for quite a while.